Hello sir, I'm LISHVAARAJ Naidu, son of Shivaji Selvan. My metric number is 01DKM20F1066. Today, me and my friends were given a topic to talk about, which is sustainable technology. We are going to present about the solar power. Sustainable technology describes the safekeeping innovation that considers natural resources and also social development to be cared well. The objective of this idea is to drastically reduce the environmental and also the ecological threat and to create a sustainable product which could be very useful for the environment and also for the living things as well. Sustainability in technologies could be in few ways, such as the technology fosters a shift from non-biodegradable to biodegradable materials, which is being good to the natural resources out there. It also replaces the non-renewable things to the renewable resources, which could be very useful to make new items with lower rate. Sustainable technology also has the ability to prevent deterioration, contamination, and also such others negative impacts on the environment through its use or its production. This technology is efficient through its use of energy and also the resources. Alright sir, now my friend Hakimi will continue his talk about the solar power.
Okay, thank you for LISHVAARAJ about the introduction. Okay, I will tell about what is solar power. Solar power is the conversion of the renewable energy from the sunlight into electricity, either directly using photovoltaic or PV, indirectly using contracted solar power or a combination. Constructed solar power system use lens or mirror and solar tracking system to focus a large area of a sunlight into a small beam. Commercial constructed solar power plant were first development in the 1980s series. Since then, as the cost of the solar electricity has fallen, grid connected solar PV systems have grown more or less exponentially. The International Energy Agency said in 2021 that under its net zero by 2050 scenario, solar power will contribute about 20% of the worldwide energy consumption, and solar would be the world's largest source of the electricity. China has been the most solar in installation.
Okay, next, the benefit of solar power. First, renewable energy resource. Of all the virtues of solar panels, the most important thing is that the solar energy is renewable. It can be utilized in any area around the world and is always available every day. Solar power will not run out, unlike some other power source. Solar energy will always be generated as long as the sun exists. And the second benefit is reduce electric bills. Okay, since solar energy is capable of providing the same needs as you would like by using your electricity, so it will reduce your bills. How much you can save depend on the size of the solar system as well as the electricity or heat consumption. Okay, next, number 3, various application. Solar energy can be used for a variety of purposes. You can generate electricity or photovoltaic or heat solar thermal. Solar energy can be used to produce electricity in areas without access to the energy grid, to filter water in areas with limited clean water supply, and to power satellites in space. Solar energy can also be included in materials used for building construction. Okay, next, number 4, low maintenance cost. So, solar power system generally do not require much maintenance. You just need to make sure it's always clean. So, cleaning it a few times a year is enough. Okay, the last benefit is ever evolving technology development. Technology in the solar energy industry is constantly evolving, and improvement will continue to occur in the future. Innovations in quantum physics and nanotechnology have the potential to increase the effectiveness of solar panel and be able to double the electrical input of solar energy system, or perhaps triple.
Let's get into the conclusion. Solar energy is energy generated either through its production system from solar radiation or solar heat. For a tropical country such as Malaysia, the solar radiation system is very suitable to use because the level of solar heat received by Malaysia exceeds the rate of illumination to use the solar energy. Malaysia only gets 40% of the sunlight compared to countries in the Middle East that can generate energy from the temperature of the sun's ray because it reaches a heat level of up to 60%. The increase in the total consumption of solar energy has indicated an increase on the graph, which is likely to continue to increase in the future in line with the advancement of the world's increasingly advanced and sophisticated technology through new technologies.